We will add light trails on the streets. For nice effects, we need to add some lighting and glare, bloom effects here. But first, allow me to clean up a bit on this building. As you see, we have some issues. So I select this building, allow me to find it. Building. Alright. I think just we need clean up here. You could select and clean with any options you like. I'm just trying to show you my simple quick way to fix that with my own methods. I usually not doing all jobs with one techniques or method. That's depend on my feeling and mood and just what occurred to my mind. For example, here you see easily we could select these sections, and now let's check which parts affected. Here I will delete it. Here I will delete it. And I think on the building we could make a black mask. Control or Command delete. Yep. Remove it. And with brush also better to have hard brush, 100% opacity. Simply I could click the mask, black color, and removing some unwanted adjustments. Maybe too intense, a bit less flow, or totally I could remove this side. Yeah, I think this section could be removed totally. Alt or Option delete to fill with black. It's not bad actually. It is fit with our image. Okay. Also, you could clean up a lot of details. For example, as you see here, our mask is not too perfect. So I find this building here. That's correct. Double click and click on the mask editor. I could shift edge, negative, maybe a bit feather and contrast. Okay. Before and after. It is better. Still, you could shrink your mask, but always check other sides to see the effects too. You see here it is made too much transparent. Actually not bad, but I don't like it. So I prefer to clean up this mask manually. Click on the mask, brush, and not too soft brush, maybe just a bit. Okay. Make sure your foreground color is black. I make it smaller, click, click, shift and click. I just hold on the shift and clicking to connect these together. Okay. And this is mask, so no worry to losing anything. You could bring back anytime you like. And note that because brush have anti-aliasing and it is round, usually not cleaning so well, so you could use pencil even instead of that to have very clean hard edges. You see, very hard. Or using square brushes. It totally depends on you, but because we have some diagonal, so I rather to use brush. Anti-aliasing here, actually it is helpful. If you have some difficulties on working with some tools in Photoshop which you don't understand correctly, I recommend you to try to learn Photoshop first, at least basic fundamentals. I have a plan to provide a free basic tutorials of Photoshop fundamentals and publish here to help you for some people who don't know fundamentals. If I get enough time, I will provide and publish for free to get access. If you need clean result, of course you have put effort and try, check on and on, clean up, do more accurate job, make clean mask, use manual tools. Usually, based on my experience, automatic tools usually not working perfectly in most times.